Hello, my name is Andrea Simmental, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery take-home activity kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our bead lizard kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Did you know beads have been used throughout history for trade, barter, decoration, adornment, and ceremonial purposes? Made of shells, seeds, bones, stones, and even glass, beads represent some of the earliest known jewelry. Archaeologists recently discovered a set of beads made from sea snail shells that date back approximately 150,000 years. The use of beads as personal decoration has continued on and off throughout history to the present day. In this activity, you will use pony beads and cord to make your own beaded lizard. Let's get started. For this activity, you will find the following materials in your kit. Pony beads in 3 colors, 2 for the eyes, 21 accent color beads, and 27 base color beads. Cord, and instructions with the bead lizard pattern. Follow the pattern and begin with the first base color bead. I will use blue and place it in the middle of your cord. Make sure both ends are the same length. Thread 2 blue beads on the right side. Then take the left cord and go through the beads on the right. Pull both sides in opposite directions. We are now on the 3rd row of the pattern and will create the eyes. Thread 1 eye color bead on the right side. I will use black, a blue bead, and another black bead. We are going to use the same technique from the previous step. Take the left cord and go through the beads on the right side and pull the cord in opposite directions. Thread 1 more row with 2 beads. You now have the head of the lizard complete. We are now at the first set of legs on the pattern. The technique for the legs is slightly different, so pay close attention. Thread 2 blue beads and 3 accent color beads on the right side. I will use orange for my accent beads. Keep in mind you might have different beads for the accent and base colors. On the same side, thread the cord through the 2 blue beads. Pull it tight. Now you have the leg formed. We are going to repeat this on the left side. Thread 2 blue beads and 3 orange beads. Then pull the cord on the same side through the 2 blue beads and pull it tight to form the other leg. Keep following along with the row as shown in the pattern to create the body of the lizard. Next, thread a blue bead, an orange bead, and another blue bead. The next row will be 1 blue bead, 2 orange beads, and 1 blue bead, followed by 1 blue bead, 1 orange bead, and 1 blue bead. We are now ready for the back legs. Follow the same technique used previously. Thread 2 blue beads and 3 orange beads on the right side. Thread the cord on the same side through the 2 blue beads. Repeat this on the left side. Now all your legs are complete. We are now ready to create the tail. Thread 2 blue beads on the right and pull it tight, then 1 orange bead and pull tight, followed by 1 blue bead. Repeat this pattern until all your beads are used. Tie a double knot at the end. Your lizard is complete. Enjoy! Interested in learning more about beading? Check out Start to Bead by Jill Thomas at your local library. The easy-to-follow projects in this book will impress your friends and family. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at a location near you or online at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.